Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Fortnite not launching on PC. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like if you will find this guide useful. Now, what you want to do first is open up Epic Games Launcher, go to Library, find Fortnite, then click on these three dots and click on Manage. From here you want to click on this Open Install Location little icon, and after that you want to find Fortnite game folder. Open it up, go to Binaries, Win64, and scroll down until you will see Fortnite client shipping file, exe file, which you want to right click on and go to properties. After that, you want to click on compatibility and make sure that you disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator. You want to make this checked and then click apply and OK. Now, try to launch Fortnite. If that didn't work, what you want to do is scroll up here and find an Easy Anti-Cheat folder. From here, you will see Easy Anti-Cheat setup. You want to go ahead and create a shortcut of this. So just right click on it, show more options, and then send to desktop, create a shortcut. Now on your desktop, there should be this shortcut, which we need to go ahead and repair. So you want to right click on it, go to properties, and after that you will see this target option where you can write something. So after everything, in the end you want to click space and then write down repair. After that, click apply and OK, and you want to double click on Easy Anti-Cheat. After that you will need to click yes, and that should work. Now you can go ahead and move this file here back to the Fortnite game. Now, if that still doesn't help you launch Fortnite, what you want to do is open up Windows Defender Firewall. Right there. After that, click Allow an app or feature to go through Windows Defender Firewall, then change settings, and you want to add Fortnite here. I already have it here, but as you can see, but to add it, basically you need to add that shipping folder. So allow another app, browse, and just go ahead and find there this shipping folder and add it here. Another thing you can try out is, again, go to Epic Games Launcher, click on three dots and go to Manage, and click on Verify Files. This will verify any corrupted, missing files, and so on and so forth, and basically fix it for you. If that didn't work, you want to make sure that your graphics are up to date. So for example, I use NVIDIA. So you want to open up NVIDIA application. If you're using some other like AMD, open up AMD application, go to drivers, and make sure that if there's any update available, you want to download it and update your graphics. Now, if after that, after restarting your PC, Fortnite doesn't work, you want to open up a run application, then write down % local app data %, click OK. After that, you want to find Epic Games Launcher folder and go to Saved. Here you will see web cache folder, file folder, which you want to go ahead and delete. And after that, try to launch Fortnite. And the last thing you can try out, if nothing worked, open up CMD, command prompt, run it as administrator. And after that, you want to scan your whole system. So you're going to write down SFC space / and then scan now. Click enter and it will start to basically verify your files and so on and so forth. So if nothing still worked, you want to go ahead and uninstall Fortnite and install it again. But if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and leave a like, and I will see you next time. Bye.